Mr. Beast is on the verge of hitting 100 million subscribers. So, as a way to congratulate him, I'm giving myself the next 7 days to design him a custom play button using 3D software. But there's a small issue. Yeah, I have no idea how to design in 3D. So, I need to learn.
How long will it take to become a 3D artist?
I had only 7 days to learn how to and design a fully custom play button. So let's just get right into it. And make sure you watch till the end because the craziest coincidence happened.
Day 1.
I binged through a bunch of YouTube tutorials and I learned the basics and spent the day messing around trying to figure out this software called Freaker. By the end of day 1, I was able to design random stuff like this mug. I was getting the hang of this. I spent my time making random designs to get more used to the software.
Day 2 and 3.
And by the end of day 3, I had designed a few interesting designs. And now it's time to get to work on the design for the final play button.
Day 4.
Then the brainstorming began. Nothing beats a good old paper sketch. I tried out several designs, but well, I wasn't satisfied with any. See, the play button should be simple. More or less, it should represent Mr. Beast's kindness, hard work, and most importantly, highlight how he inspires his viewers to explore crazy extents.
Thinking about it, yeah. The videos that got 50+ million views of me giving away money probably did inspire those 50 million people to go give money to other people. I don't really think about it much, but...
As Tom Sachs said, showing the human touch in the process is more important than achieving perfection.
That's what I want to show from this video, that nothing is impossible if you put your mind to it. Even though Jimmy showed it the hard way by, like, for instance, burying himself alive or not eating anything for a month. See, it's not how complicated it looks. What matters is the thought. And I'm showing Mr. Beast how much I appreciate what he has shown me. His story has inspired me as well as millions of others to explore their dreams.
It's been a year, so I hope you have at least 50k subs. That seems kind of high.
By now, I had learned how to design simple 3D objects, and then also got started on brainstorming ideas for the final play button.
Day 5 and 6.
I got to work on day 5. I got to tell you, it was hard. I was working on the structure of the play button. Well, I've kinda made a mistake when building the face part, which is also the most complicated part of the play button. See, I had 2 options. Start over or figure out where I went wrong. Having decided to go ahead with the obvious option, I knew that one of the points of the design was not connected, making the entire design lose its 3D structure. Doesn't make any sense? Yeah, cause it doesn't. I have no idea what I'm doing. I had to go through each and every point to spot the error, and this was not easy. Problem is that there were over 2,000 points and I had to go through each. After hours of going through, I realized where the error was. Oh, and guess what? A few moments later, I figured out how to find the unconnected points with just 2 clicks. Man, I should have looked that up earlier.
Day 7.
I got started on adding the colors to the play button. And as it was coming to life, this happened. It's kind of getting close to end of day 7 and I'm almost done with the play button, and I was just on YouTube and that's when I saw this. Alright, so I was just working on the play button and check this out. 100 million subscribers.
Let's go, we're so close. Oh my gosh, that was wow, we did it.
Oh my god. On the day that I finished my challenge, like, what a coincidence. And finally, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. After a whole week of stressful work, I finally put together the final piece.
Mr. B6000.
And to make this an authentic play button, I had to add my own congratulations letter.
Oh, Mr. B6000, yeah, you know his name. He changed it once or twice, but I think it's here to stay. His thumbnails, well, they're made in paint, but if you ask me, I think they're kinda quaint. Mr. B6000.
Dear Mr. Beast, when I first started watching your channel, you were at like 1 million, and here we are. You're now at a whopping 100 million. You did prove to me and the whole world that hard work, kindness and positivity can be more entertaining than negativity.
I really think positivity can be just as interesting as negativity. I just think it's harder.
I'm writing this to tell you that I'm so thankful for what you have done for this world. Like, how can one person have so much kindness? There's a saying that if you are your true self online, you will succeed. And looking at your success, it's definite that your videos resonate with who you truly are. You're the kind of person this world needs. Like to plant 20 million trees and to remove 30 million pounds of trash from the ocean. And on top of that, give away tens of millions of dollars. Did God send you? 100 million is a lot of people. But we all know that you're not doing this for the numbers or the money. Truly, you make the world a better place. And congrats on 100 million.